Hello viewers, good day from wherever you are. Without wasting much of your time, today we are going to make a simple birthday graphics. So kindly follow me gently so that you can understand each and every step I am taking. So without further ado, I will start by bringing the background. So the background, I will go to this plus sign, go to from gallery. Now from gallery, there are particular background which I downloaded. For this particular program, I think I will go with this very background. Yeah. Now when you are in a place like this, you click the good button which is at the right hand side. After clicking it, then you draw this downwards, we have our background. Now what is remaining is bringing your image. Now you still go directly to that plus sign which we have here, go to the gallery, click here. I think we have our image here. I will be using this very image in my Bluetooth. Yeah, here we have it. It's going to take a little time, but I'm sure it will load. Here we have it. Now here's the image. If you like, you can resize it or add it. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, I think we have our image. So I'm going to lock the image so that my hand cannot be able to temper or move the image anywhere. So here we have the lock button, this part lock sign. The image is being locked. I'm also locking the background so that we won't have any movement. All right. First of all, I'm going to go to the text. Let's assume our birthday is 14th of February. You edit 14, click OK. Now we increase the size. You can do it manually by pressing the plus sign, but for me, I just draw it directly so that I will not be wasting your time. All right, now we'll go to the font so that I don't like the shape. I want to make it bold and a bit captivating to the eyes. Here we have it. All right, then I'm going to copy it also. The copy sign is here. Copy it, then edit. You go to edit, February. Here we have it. Yeah, now I'm going to reduce the side. I want to match them so that they can be close to each other. Something like this. I think that's okay. All right. You can see below her where her hand is. I want to create a semi background, so to say, where her hand, the background will look, it will not look the shape, so that it will look more captivating to the eyes. So what I'm going to do is bring the shape. Here we have the shape. You can see it. Here we have the shape. Excuse me, I'm going to go back. Let's say the shape, a square sharp image. Then make sure you can put any color you want. Let's go with yellow. Then click the plus sign button, go to your gradient, click the plus sign button. Here. Click OK. Right. Now I'm going to copy the image, copy. Now go to your relative mass. Where's the relative mass? Relative position, sorry. You click here, then down button. See, you are merging them. Sorry, I'm going to draw them manually. They are merged, right? Now go to your sorry, I'm gonna go back here, come here, click we're going to match them. You match them, then click this sign to match them, which is here. You can see, are you sure you want to match the selected object? Then you say yes, okay, which is okay. It's taking a bit time. Yeah, we've matched them. You take it back. Now you go to your erase color, right? Erase color. You can see erase color. Now you take it to your desired. I think I'll go with 36. Let me see. I'm going to bring it down. This is where I want to put it. That's where I'm going to pick it. Let me still reduce it to 36. No, 36 is this. Now to make it more properly, I'm going to change the color. Now let's go to color. Here's the color, right? You can see it's red. I'll go with yellow. I think this is good. We have it here. Now what next? Let me see. I'm still not okay with it. I'll go to opacity. I want to reduce the opacity. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, all right. What next? Still go to the phone. Go to your text, edit. We have happy. All right, increase the font. Sorry, increase the font. Yeah, you quickly go to your font, right? We're gonna make it look a bit italic. Italic, where can I find one? I'll go with these, I think. Yeah, yes, this, no, this, here we go. Happy. Go again, text, edit, birthday. Again, you increase the font size, something like this. All right, we are going to make it look bold. Yeah, bold. And again, the font, we go to ability fat face. Here we go. Happy. What next? We change the color. Yeah, I think changing the color will also make it look a bit nice. What about this color? I think I will go with it. Yeah. One last step. The image. I'm going to click copy. Sorry, let me quickly delete it. I like the image. Sorry, I've locked my image. Let me unlock it. Aha. Then I'll go to copy, and you can actually go and bring your image, but for me I'm only copying it so that I won't waste much of your time. Now after copying it, I will take it back behind the very first image. After taking it back, I put it a bit close to her, very close. Then I go to opacity, then reduce the opacity. Are we good? I think I will go this way. This is the step I'm going to guide you for now. Subscribe to my channel for more recent and up-to-date graphics that will make you get a lot of customers, clients, and of course admirers. Thank you very much for tuning to my video. I really appreciate you. Have a nice day. Bye. Before you go, I'll quickly save the image. Save very high, then save to gallery. It will go direct to my, I think it does. Here we have it. Here's the project we just did. Image saved. Alright, let me quickly take you there. Aha. Good. You can save your project here. Save as project. And what name do you want to save it as? Abigail. Abby. Save it as Abby. Then whenever you want to retrieve your project, you can quickly do so. All right, thank you viewers for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Design with Lomis, so that you can be informed or you can get a notification whenever I upload a new and a recent video that will be beneficial to you and to your growth. Thank you once again.